Hi there! Today we're going to talk about one of my absolute favourites. They're usually my first choice for sparking a romantic mood, or just a relaxing atmosphere. Yes, I'm talking about candles. Sometimes delivering this product to your customer can be tricky because it's usually fragile. They come in different sizes, shapes, and sometimes in sets. Often you need to pack multiple candles in one package. Here at Packhelp, we have a few packaging options to make sure that your candles will arrive safely and the unboxing experience will be memorable. Let's start with a votive candle. For this option, we will need a small square box and packing paper. First, we'll wrap the candle with paper. Speaking of which, as you've probably already guessed, it's made from fully recyclable materials. And if you choose a custom design, it will be printed with water-based ink, so the eco-properties won't be affected in any way. After that, we place the wrapped candle into the product box. Also made from recyclable materials, by the way. And that's it. Oh, yes, you can also use custom stickers, either on the paper or on the box itself. I think that looks pretty awesome. Let's try the next option, using bigger packaging for more pieces. Here we will need some wood wool to keep the candles safe during transportation, and a slightly bigger mailer box to put it all together. In this case, similar to the previous one, both the wool and the box are fully recyclable. So we put the wool in like this, and then place the candles at a safe distance from each other. You can also put each candle into a muslin bag, which will also look very nice. Each side of the box is fully customizable, and you can even add a message on the inside. That will definitely make your brand more recognizable for your customers. To make the whole unboxing experience even more exciting, you can add a thank you card and something extra, like branded matches or a small plant. And I guess we're done. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And don't forget to share your designs by tagging Packhelp on social media. See you later.